All right, so this thing shows up, supposed to have a fiber optic insert in the front sight, and it ain't got none. So, got on the internet and ordered up some fishing line, or whatever this is. All right, got me a little bit of it. And they say, stick it in, and then run it in until it's just sticking out a little bit, and then melt it. So let's see if I can do this. Right. Come on, melt. Yeah, it looks like that might do it, and then you're supposed to draw it up in. Just about like so. That doesn't look too bad. I guess you wait for it to cool off a little bit, which shouldn't be long. Whoops, it wants to slide back out. I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna melt it some more. How's that? Still looks all right. All right, and then snip off the front end, they say. Let's see here. Let's come this way with it. Come on. Out like that. I don't know. Looks like there might be a little bit much sticking out there, but better too much than too little, I guess. Let's see what happens here now. They say don't set it on fire, just melt it. Okay. That looks pretty good. Looks a little weird with that blob sticking out the front, but if it doesn't work out, I got lots of extra, I can redo it. But for now, let's see here. See if I can do this with the camera. Yeah, close enough. There it is. We got front sight. Yeehaw. Rock Island. Says M1911 A1 FS match. Cool.